As the hybrid test version of the 9-9 main battle tank kicks up dust on the Qinghai-Tibet Plateau, a central question hangs over the minds of military enthusiasts. Will we witness China's fourth-generation main battle tank rewriting the rules of land warfare with the quiet hum of its electric motor, on September the 3rd along Chang'an Avenue? At this historic moment marking the 80th anniversary of the victory in the War of Resistance, will the Chinese army unveil the veil of this new land warfare king, that combines stealthy maneuvering with thunderous bursts? This is not just about a single weapon. It symbolizes the Chinese army's charge toward the pinnacle of intelligent and electrified warfare. Hybrid power represents an energy revolution for tanks. The 500-kilometer operational radius of traditional main battle tanks has become a constraint on modern, widely dispersed battlefields. Each 40-minute fuel replenishment exposes armored formations to threats from satellites, long-range firepower, and drones. Hybrid tanks extend their operational range to over 1,000 kilometers through braking energy recovery, downhill potential energy conversion, and efficient engine operation within optimal power bands. This means strategic maneuvers from Beijing to Shanghai can be conducted without mid-route refueling, significantly enhancing operational surprise and sustained assault capabilities. Even more disruptive is the electric motor breaking the curse of high-altitude regions. At the 4,500-meter Tenggala Pass, diesel engine power decreases by 40%, but the hybrid test vehicle, relying on the electric motor's instantaneous peak torque of 750 Nm, conquered a 35-degree icy slope with a 60-ton self-weight, declaring that heavy armor units have obtained a pass for all-terrain operations in high-altitude regions. Silent assault is the core tactical advantage granted by hybrid technology. Pure electric drive reduces tank noise from 90 decibels at diesel engine idle to below 40 decibels, quieter than the sound of turning pages in a library. Domestic hybrid reconnaissance vehicles have validated this capability, penetrating within 2 kilometers of the Blue Army's positions without being detected by sonar. Main battle tanks achieving the same capability means that steel columns can launch close-range assaults under cover of darkness, disrupting defensive early warning systems. Simultaneously, infrared signatures are drastically reduced. In pure electric mode, core heat sources are suppressed, and overall infrared signal intensity decreases by over 80%, significantly narrowing the enemy's infrared-guided weapon lock-on window. The combination of stealth and low temperature grants the absolute initiative to detect fire and destroy the enemy first. Abundant power is redefining the boundaries of tank offense and defense, elevating them to mobile energy fortresses. Israel's Trophy Active Defense System consumes the equivalent of powering 300 household air conditioners per intercept, while traditional tanks require external generators. The hybrid platform's high-capacity battery can directly power the laser anti-missile system. Its intercept cost is only 1/10 of traditional interceptor missiles, offering the advantages of unlimited ammunition and light speed response. Forward-thinking design also reserves interfaces for energy weapons. While the U.S. Abrams X struggles with the weight of depleted uranium armor, China's solution has already laid the groundwork for onboard electromagnetic weapons. A 30-megajoule-class onboard electromagnetic cannon in the laboratory consumes approximately 15% of a 59 kilowatt-hours battery per shot. Hybrid power is the core key to unlocking the future of energy weapon tanks. Redundant power design embodies the survival philosophy of military hybrid systems. Civilian off-road vehicles eliminate transmissions for terrain traversability, relying on electric motor differentials. In the military domain, reliability is paramount, so fourth-generation hybrid tanks will inevitably retain mechanical transmission structures. Core logic: when the motor and battery pack are damaged by anti-tank fire or an EMP, the diesel, gas turbine main engine can still drive the tracks via mechanical transmission to evacuate, avoiding becoming a stationary target. This redundancy design is evident in the elevated engine compartment of the Abrams X. China's solution may go further, using solid-state batteries with an energy density exceeding 400 Wh/kg to reduce volume, or adopting a gas turbine as the primary power source, which, at the same power output, occupies only 1/3 the volume of a diesel engine, significantly freeing up space in the power compartment. Its high fuel consumption drawback is compensated by the motor's low speed efficiency and energy recovery, and it achieves maximum power output in just 2 seconds, combining with the motor's millisecond-level burst capability to grant the tank unparalleled tactical mobility. The revolutionary aspect of the fourth-generation tank lies in human-machine collaboration and intelligence. It may adopt a two-person crew compartment, plus unmanned turret layout. The commander and driver are concentrated in the composite armor compartment at the front of the vehicle, improving survivability. The unmanned turret integrates the main gun, automatic loader, and sighting fire control system. The commander's 360-degree panoramic vision system is deeply integrated with eye fire control, enabling real-time ballistic calculations and precise strikes on moving targets traveling at speeds exceeding 70 km per hour, overcoming the shortcoming of the Russian-made T-14, which requires stopping to aim. The fundamental leap lies in the battlefield Internet of Things. The tank serves as a core network node, commanding swarm drones to gather situational awareness, guiding rear rocket artillery, guided artillery for beyond visual range coverage, and deploy unmanned combat vehicles to accompany charges, performing mine clearance, obstacle removal, and fire support. Drawing on the Hesia TX laser radar and panoramic camera system from the Tank 400 Hi-4Z, these technologies, when integrated, will grant armored formations complex environmental awareness, formation coordination, and autonomous threat avoidance capabilities, enabling an intelligent steel flood. Fourth-generation tanks must overcome a global challenge: the contradiction between active protection systems and infantry-tank coordination. The traditional coordination distance between infantry and tanks overlaps with the kill range of PS interceptor missiles. When interceptor missiles detonate at around 10 meters, the risk of shrapnel accidentally injuring coordinating infantry reaches 34%, limiting urban, jungle combat. China's solution demonstrates unique ingenuity. Nanjing University of Science and Technology's patented design employs a composite structure combat unit combining ceramic cones and honeycomb panels, which redirects explosive energy laterally through a special propellant configuration, minimizing fragmentation dispersion. The interceptor shell's H-shaped reinforced structure absorbs 80% of fragmentation kinetic energy through plastic deformation. If this technology is applied to fourth-generation tank PS systems, the safe distance for infantry can be reduced to within 10 meters, or even directly adjacent to the tank hull. The rules of urban combat will be rewritten. Infantry can safely use tanks as cover to clear rooftop anti-tank gunners, while tank PS systems focus on intercepting mid to long-range threats, forming a seamless mobile fortress unit for both offense and defense. Less than a month before September the 3rd, technological clues and historical coordinates converge on Chang'an Avenue. The 80th anniversary of the victory in the War of Resistance is both a sacred site to honor the souls of the fallen and a witness to the rebirth of China's land power. Even if fourth-generation tanks have not yet made their debut, the smoke and dust from the 9-9, a hybrid test vehicle on the shores of Qinghai Lake, already signify the future of the Chinese army. As the hum of electric motors replaces the roar of diesel engines, we witness not only upgrades in range, quietness, or firepower, but also the historical transformation of an army from a steel torrent to a fully intelligent elite force. In the wave of electrification and intelligence, this silent steel torrent is gathering momentum, ready to announce the dawn of a new era in land warfare.